from this to this.
Hello, I'm Peter. I take care for technology and location intelligence in the real estate market. Today I want to show you step by step how to integrate addresses from Excel spreadsheet to Google Maps, and also how to use that in mobile navigation. So let's get started. First of all, we have to signify your Google account. Download desktop application is open source, so it's free. So it's available for Windows, Mac and Linux, so it's okay. And the last thing is a database in the spreadsheet. So we to start, we have to street name, street type, address name, city and zip code, and also the country, because this geocoding is for national, so we have to be sure what the country is. So first of all, we have to create a new column for full of addresses, name, and here's my notes for formula. So let's type concat and select this one, street name first. We need to do some space by here, so looks like that. And here's small change, you have to add also one comma more here, comma and zip code. Then you will get 4 addresses. Looks like that. It's very good schema because it's very universal for many API, but let's try in the Google. So, okay, it's here, it works. This one. Yeah. Okay, this one. Okay, so we see anything is correct in this case. So we have to save it because we create new column here. And if you download and install QGIS app, you will display a new project and it looks like that. Okay, first of all, we have to download 2 plugins. Here is a plugin. Manage additional plugins. Let's type first HCMGIS. So this plugin, here is the button to install. I have already installed it. So, and another one, and here this. So install this one exactly. And first of all, we wanted to display a base map for Google Satellite Hybrid to have some reference about results. And another one is QGIS. Let's go to Geocode CSV web service. So we have to select your spreadsheet here, and if you have exactly the same column names, you see anything is automatic refill it. And we want to select Nominating. It's an open source library, so it's free. If we have many missing, I recommend go to the Google for Azure service. It's commercial. So for Google we required API key, for Azure we required a license. For US addresses, maybe this one will be the best one. So, but in this case we take Nominative. And we wanted to save it by caramel format. And let's copy and paste same location, and let's type address New York City, copy and paste here, CSV, so we hit apply, and that's it. Results for this scale is maybe a couple of seconds, but if you want hundreds or thousands results, maybe take some couple of minutes, but you see, I think it works. 20 to 20, 12 of 12 is correct, 100%. So we could zoom in. It's here, maybe not visible. I go to the properties. Here is a symbology. We take and choose the orange location, so anything is in this city, so looks good. So next step, it will be implement to Google. Let's remove some part of URL and we go to the google.com/maps/d feature. So let's do new web map. And you see a scanner file. You go to import. We wanted to drag and drop here this file. So you see anything results in the web map here. So first of all, I recommend change the style by more unique and select area addresses. Sorry, so you have multiple colors to understand, to see exactly what you want. Next, you have to type project title. So yeah, looks like that. Also, we could challenge for satellite or this one, so many options available. And last thing is change the title, because we wanted in the first in the top was what's the location means. If you have some IDs, some specific names, I recommend to use that, but in my case it will be full address. So if you do that for one example, also next one will be automatic fill it. And the next step is sharing. Here's the button for sharing for anybody. You could for some colleagues, some members. And yeah, if you go to preview, you see the web map with addresses. So if you click here, you have full of data from your spreadsheet, and you have button to location. So it's navigate, but we are on desktop right now, so let's go to the mobile. Okay, we are here. So we're going to Google Maps app. You have to sign in for the same account, and you go to the saved maps. You see addresses, it's project name. You click here and you could view the legend. You have full of addresses from this web map. So anytime if you click here, you see the label in the top. So it's very good, and you have ability to drive to this direction with navigation, so it looks like that. Okay, that's it. I guess it was a great journey to go from text to Google Maps, how to display anything in the desktop, in online, and also in the mobile phone. So let me know if you realize these steps, and if you have some maybe issue or some question. Let me know in comment below, and I will be in touch. Thank you. Bye.